In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend a video clip in InVideo. If you've ever needed just a few extra seconds on a clip to match your voiceover or timing, this walkthrough will make it simple. We'll move through the editor in a clear sequence so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. Start by logging in to InVideo. Use your regular account and give the editor a moment to load. A stable internet connection helps the interface respond smoothly while you edit. Once you're in, head to your projects area. This is where all your drafts and finished edits are stored. Finding your project here ensures you're working on the right version, and it keeps everything organized as your library grows. Open your project by clicking it. The editor will load your canvas along with the workspace. If your project is media heavy, a short loading time is normal. Next, navigate to your layers and timeline. The timeline sits along the bottom and shows all your tracks, video, audio, and overlays in a left to right sequence. The layers panel helps you see which elements are stacked on top of each other. If the timeline looks cramped, use the zoom control to see more precisely where each clip begins and ends. Now select the video you want to extend. You can click it directly on the timeline or choose it from the layers panel. When it's selected, you'll notice handles at the edges of the clip. These are what you'll use to adjust the duration. To extend the clip, click and drag the edge of the clip you want to extend. Dragging the right edge to the right will lengthen the clip's duration on the timeline. Keep an eye on the time indicator so you know exactly how much you're adding. If you run into another clip, make sure there's empty space to the right. Otherwise, you'll bump into the next piece of media. Also note that a video clip can only be extended up to its actual media length. If you reach the end of the source video, the editor won't let you pull it further. If you need just a tiny adjustment, zoom in on the timeline to make a more controlled drag. You can also drag the left edge to reveal more from the start of the clip, which effectively extends it earlier in the sequence. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to your projects, open the project, head to the layers and timeline, select your video, and drag the clip's edge to extend it. With these steps, you can fine-tune timing quickly and keep your edit flowing exactly the way you want.